Welcome to Seven Trumpets Prepper Channel. And guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you a review of the Zero Yeti 200 and the Boulder 50 photovoltaic module panel that comes with it. And I wanted to tell you guys that I was looking online and I actually found these. They were open box sale on Zero, and they got a bunch of stuff that's on open box sale right now. I'm not getting paid for promoting this. I just happened to run across it the other day, so I was going to share this on the channel for you guys because wintertime's coming and having an extra backup thing for everything from CPAP machine to charging your cell phone. Highly encourage you to check it out. Okay guys, so this is what I got in the box. This is the Zero Boulder 50. Pretty nice little module. I'll show you the back of it in just a second. Right now I want to focus on is the unit itself. This is the Zero Yeti 200, and you can see the charge is coming in right now to it. It also came with a 50 watt plug-in charger unit, and this has got a 12 volt output coming out of it. I'm not exactly sure on that one just yet. I'm going to have to verify what's up with that one, but you've got some USB outputs. You've got the, what is that, USB type C output, I believe is that one, and then of course you've got a 120 volt power plug output. And this unit rating, if we look at the rating on it right here, what it says this unit is rated for 187 watt air battery. The output is rated for 120 watts. Okay, so that's not too bad. You can do a lot with that. I mean, very, very small. I got this, like I said, for just very tiny, small things to charge up at the house in the event of an emergency, and also that I could just set this outside, charge it, or I could set the panel with the extension cord out the window, set it outside, and leave this charging on the inside. There's a lot of flexibility to this, but I'll get some of the other bigger Yeti units, I think, just to have as backup around in case of emergency, because my main off-grid power for the farm, I just want to focus on the well, the water heater, refrigeration, and lights and stuff like that. But in the event of a power outage, stuff like that during the winter, oh, went up another point right there. It's charging up relatively pretty quick. So let me show you the back of the module and everything, guys. This is the back of the module and the folding legs that fold into it. It's got an input to tie into other panels, but don't really want to bother with that right now either. And there's the specs on the back of that. But pretty impressive little setup to be so small. I mean, that's compact and definitely going to be an extra off-grid power prep. And the great thing was it was like 300 bucks. You know, to have another extra renewable source, and I can take this on the go with me, throw this in the Cybertruck if I ever eventually get that thing and Tesla actually produces it. So anyway, this is the setup. I'll put the link to Zero because I seen it the other day on the ad and I was pretty impressed with it, that it was so low cost for being an open box unit. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick review video. Make sure to check out the link in the video description below. That should take you directly to the open box sales. And guys, as always, till we see you again here at Seven Trumpets Prepper Channel, hope Most High Yah Baruch and keep you, make His face shine upon you, show you favor, and give you shalom, my friends, in Yahushua.